In a time when colossal beings roamed the earth, the ancient Titans sought to build great empires that would stand the test of time, their ambition driving them to craft cities of unmatched grandeur and complexity. These magnificent giants harnessed their strength and intelligence using advanced techniques to erect remarkable monuments, each stone laid with purpose and precision, forging a legacy that would echo through the ages. As they sculpted the land to their will, these titans became symbols of power and innovation, their empires thriving as they united cultures and civilizations under their towering reign. In this vibrant ecosystem, the titans fostered trade and alliances, turning their realms into flourishing centers of commerce and culture where ideas and art intertwined and prospered. Their influence extended beyond mere governance. The ancient titans inspired generations through monumental architecture and sacred sites, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts and minds of their followers. In times of conflict, these titans stood as formidable leaders, rallying their people to defend their empires, demonstrating not only strength in battle, but also wisdom in strategy and diplomacy.